Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix iOS update installation errors in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First open settings, then Wi-Fi. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network before updating. Step 2. Check available storage. Now go to settings, then general, then iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough free space for the update. If your storage is low, delete unused apps or files. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button plus volume button, then slide to power off, wait a few seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. This clears temporary glitch. Step 4. Delete and re-download the update. Now open settings, then general, then iPhone storage, scroll down and tap the iOS update file. Now tap delete, update, then go back to settings, then general, then software update and download it again. Step 5. Plug into power. Connect your iPhone to a charger. iOS updates often require sufficient battery to install. And that's how you can fix iOS update installation error. And also follow those steps and your iPhone should install iOS updates without errors. And that's it. I've liked this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.